Hello friends, my name is Nick and I am here to explain the use of the two most important verbs in Portuguese, ser and estar. You may be surprised that before explaining anything, I have two questions here for you. Do not worry if you do not know the answer, but I am sure at least you can guess. Please pick your answers. I will reveal the answers shortly. If you are still confused, let me translate the questions and the options into English. So now, did you get some clues? Yes, you got it. In English, both have the same answer, am. In Portuguese, we have two different verbs to say am, sou and estou. So in both questions, the answer can be either estou or sou. But for which one does the sou go? And where does estou fit? This is another question, right? Now, if you already have answers, that is great. The answers are eu sou de Portugal and eu estou doente. Why? Why is the best teacher that teaches us everything we wish to learn? Let me explain it step by step. Let's go to the explanation segment. Explanation number 1. Ser and estar almost act like to-be verbs in English. I am not going to explain them in depth now to make you more confused. Instead, I am going to tell you how to use them. We will talk in depth about these verbs in the next sessions. First and most, let's look at conjugation with personal pronouns. Note that ser and estar both have the same meaning, but they describe different situations and conditions. Let's conjugate first, and then I will explain it step by step. Eu sou, eu estou. Both have the same meaning. I am. Tu és, tu estás. You are. Você é, você está. You are. Ela é, ela está. He is, she is. Elas são. Elas estão. They are. Nós somos. Nós estamos. We are. Now let's see in which situation we use the ser verb and in which case we use the estar verb. Explanation number 2. In this section, we will discuss the use of the ser and the estar verb. Without delay, let's start with the use of the ser verb. When we use ser verb, number A, to say permanent situation and the correct. Let's see some examples. It will make you clear. Ele é alto. He is tall. He is not going to be short. Let's see another example. Sou mau em English. I am bad in English. It's my character. I cannot improve it anymore. Nós somos amigos. We are friends. Once a friend is always a friend, isn't it? Situation 2. To talk about occupation, nationality, and origin. Let's see some examples here. Ele é cozinheiro. He is cook. Cooking is his profession. Eles são britânicos. They are British. Talking about the nationality. Eu sou do Nepal. I am from Nepal. Talking about my origin. Situation 3. To talk about time and date. Examples. Hoje é terça-feira. Today is Tuesday, isn't it? I am talking about day. São 6 da tarde. It is 6 p.m. Here I am talking about the time. We discussed about the three situations and conditions where we use the ser verb. Now let's look at three different situations and conditions in which the estar verb is used. Star verb. First and foremost, we use star verb to describe temporary states or conditions. Let's see examples. Estou cansado. I am tired. At the moment I am tired, I will be energetic again. Ele está doente. He is sick. Right now he is sick, but will be good sooner. Estamos ocupados. We are busy. Right now we are busy and will be free soon. Condition or situation 2 to describe about the current location or position. Examples. Ele está em casa. He is at home. At the moment he is at home, but will be out for dinner. O livro está na mesa. The book is on the table. Sooner or later it will be on my hand. Elas estão no parque. They are in the park. Will be return home after 1 hour maybe. Situation 3. Progressive tense, or we can say continuously doing. Something we are doing continuously. Let's see some examples. Eu estou a comer. I am eating. Ela está a trabalhar. She is working. Estamos a beber. We are drinking. Hey, what are you drinking? Now let's do the recap. SER verb, basically with 3 conditions or situations. Number A, to say permanent situation or character. B, occupation, nationality and origin. And C, time and date. Similarly, the verb star we can use in 3 different situations: temporary states or conditions, current location or position, and progressive tense, that means continuously doing. Now it's time to conclude the lesson, and we will see the answer again. In the first question, vivo em França, eu blank de Portugal. Here the statement talks about the origin, and now we know that in this situation we use ser verb. With I, that means eu, we use sou, and the answer is eu sou de Portugal. And in the next question, não vou à escola hoje. Eu blank doente. Here, the statement is about the sickness. It is a temporary situation, and thus we use the star verb. And with I, that means eu, we use estou, and the answer is eu estou doente. I am sick. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the lesson, please remember to like our video, hit the bell icon to get notified of future videos, and subscribe to be with us always. Please comment if you have any questions or suggestions or want to share your knowledge with other friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and